Good afternoon, students. Naveen? Naveen?
Sir.
ఏంది 44 వచ్చి ఇంతవరకు ఇంకా ఎవరు రాలేదు?
వస్తారేమో సార్ మెల్ల. మార్నింగ్ కూడా ఇలానే వచ్చారు. ఫస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఓన్లీ 47 మెంబర్స్ ఉండే సార్. తర్వాత ఒక 8 మెంబర్స్ దాకా జాయిన్ అయ్యారు.
సరే మరి. So just okay, right. So students, today in previous class we discussed about the module 3 question bank. Now we'll discuss about the module 2 question bank in that part C only. So that is also problem solving and critical thinking questions we will solve now today. So in that first question, why do we add buffer solution during the estimation of hardness of water by using EDTA method means? So when we are adding the buffer solution, basic buffer, that pH value we are maintaining the 9 to 10. So that's why we are adding the buffer solution. So if they are asking about the long answer question, you have to write the complete procedure about the EDTA method. So first of all, why do we add the buffer means to maintain the pH is 9 to 10. Like that we are adding the buffer solution, and in this hardness of estimation of hardness of water by using EDTA method, we are determining the temporary hardness, permanent hardness, and total hardness. In these chemicals are EDTA and EBT indicator. One more is magnesium sulfate or calcium carbonate, buffer solution, etc. we are using. Glasswares are beaker, pipette, conical flask, etc. Now principle, what is the principle involving in the EDTA method? So in the principle involving in the EDTA method is Ca plus 2 or Mg plus 2 is reaction with the EBT in presence of buffer, Ca EBT or MgEBT formation takes place. So this is in wine red color. So this wine red color solution, when we are treating with EDTA, sorry, that form as a Ca EDTA or MgEDTA formation takes place. EDTA formation takes place plus EBT plus EBT formation takes place. This is a principle involving. So it contains 4 steps: preparation of MgSO4, first one. Next one, standardization of EDTA solution. Next one, standardization of hard water, and standardization of permanent hardness. So that 4 steps are there. That is the first one is the first step one. We are finding out the M1. Next, M1V1 is equal to M2V2. Second step, and M3V3 is equal to M2V2 dash. M4V4 is equal to M2V2 double dash. So if you know this 4 formulas, then easy to calculate the problem and easy to write the EDTA method. Now what happens when temporary hardness is boiled? Give reasons, give reactions. So when we are boiling the temporary hardness means calcium salts of CaHCO3 taken twice. When we are boiling that water, that form as a CaCO3 plus CO2, water formation takes place. Now same as MgSCO3 taken twice. So these both salts causes a temporary hardness. Calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate causes the temporary hardness. When we are boiling this water, now boiling the water, these salts are escaped. These salts are escaping takes place. Then we are removing the temporary hardness. We remove the temporary hardness. So now, once you see the once you read the, anyone can read the problem, third problem. Third problem, all of you read the third problem. One liter of water sample collected from a water source in Telangana has shown the following analysis, that is MgHCO3 is 14.6 milligrams and magnesium sulfate is 12 milligram, calcium bicarbonate is 16.2, CaCl is 22.2, MgCl is 9.5. Okay, and the organic impurities are 100 mg, and calculate the temporary and permanentness in degree French. In degree French. So here you see, first of all, so they are given the impurity present in the water, they are given, that is magnesium bicarbonate, how much impurities they are given, 14.6, and magnesium sulfate 12 grams, 12 milligrams, calcium bicarbonate 16.2, CaCl is 22.2, MgCl is 9.5. They are given the impurities. These impurities we are converting into hardness. How? The hardness of MgHCO3 is equal to MgHCO3. First, what you can do in the examination point of view, given data, first given data you write down MgSO3 14.6 milligram, MgSO4 12 milligram, like that given data you write down. After that, hardness of MgSO3 is equal to 14.6 by molecular weight of magnesium bicarbonate 146 into 100, that equal to 10 ppm. Now, next, magnesium sulfate, MgSO4. MgSO4 is equal to 12 by 120 into 100, that equal to 10 ppm. Next, calcium bicarbonate, CaHCO3 taken twice, that equal to 16.2 by 162 into 100, that equal to 10 ppm. Suppose, for example, next one CaCl is equal to 2.2 by 111 into 100, that equal to 20 ppm. Next one is MgCl2. MgCl2 is equal to 9.5 by 95 into 100, that equal to 10 ppm. Now you see, magnesium bicarbonate 10 ppm, magnesium sulfate is 10 ppm, calcium bicarbonate is 10 ppm, CaCl is 20 ppm, MgCl is 10 ppm. Now, no need to find the organic impurities, that is 100 milligram. Now calculate the temporary hardness. Which salts are causes temporary hardness? Magnesium bicarbonate, this magnesium bicarbonate and calcium bicarbonate, these both salts causes the temporary hardness. Now, temporary hardness is equal to hardness of CaHCO3 taken twice plus that equal to 10 plus 10, that equal to 20 ppm. Now 20 ppm, we are getting answer in 20 ppm, but this one we are converting into degree French. In degree French is equal to 20 into 0.1, that equal to 2 degree French. So this is the temporary hardness. Now what is the permanent hardness? Permanent hardness is equal to hardness of MgSO4 plus CaCl2 plus MgCl2, that equal to 10 plus 20, that equal to 40 ppm. Now this is 40 ppm. In degree French,
40 into 0.
Very good. 40 into 0.1, that equal to 4 degree French. So like this, we have to solve the problem. So in the examination point of view, listen here. In the SE examination, this is for 7 marks problem, but in the internal, that is 3 marks problem. You have to solve it. You have to practice the next 4th one. Okay, is it clear now? Any doubts here? So all of you, once you solve the,
సార్ క్వశ్చన్ లా MgHCO3 అని ఇచ్చారు కదా సార్, అయితే మనం మెగ్నీషియం బైకార్బోనేట్ అని తీసుకురా సార్ మళ్ళీ.
MgHCO3 taken twice. That is wrong. They are given somewhat mistake. Okay.
Yes sir.
So here
Sir.
this is tell me.
Organic impurities.
Organic impurities. We don't know which organic impurities. We don't know. Na? So what is hardness? Calcium, magnesium salts of carbonate, bicarbonates, chlorides, sulfates, etc. are called as hardness. Yes, is it right or wrong? So
Yes,
organic impurity is not causing the hardness. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
So no need to take the organic impurities. You have to take the magnesium, calcium, magnesium salts of carbonates, bicarbonates, chlorides, sulfates only. No need to take NaCl or etc. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Or in sometimes they are giving the dissolved solids, so that also they are given. No need to take that one. Okay, just you have to take the whatever the magnesium, calcium, magnesium salts of impurities, that only you have to take and find out. This is the one type of problem. Next, all of you, you solve the 4th problem. Make it fast. 4th problem, solve it. This one. Fourth problem, you have to solve it. Are you understood the problem, this one?
Yes, sir.
Next, you want to go for EDTA method problem? Anyone can respond. Anyone read the 7th problem? Any one of the student, you have to read the 7th problem.
A sample water of 100 ml required
What's your
12
name?
point. Kishan, sir.
Kishan, very good. Nice, good. Kishan, tell me. A
A
sample?
sample water of 100 ml required 12.6 ml of 0.02 molar EDTA solution with EBT as indicator and 8.4 ml of 0.02 molar EDTA for the same volume of water after removing the carbonate hardness. Calculate the total permanent hardness in terms of calcium carbonate equivalent.
What do you understood regarding this problem? How to calculate the temporary and permanent hardness? Total and the permanent hardness. So in the given data, what is there? No need to find out the M1 and M2. They are given the M2 value. Directly they are given the M2 value. Directly we want to calculate the step 3 only. Directly we have to solve through step 3. So what is the step 3 formula? M3, here you see. M3 V3 is equal to M2 V2 dash. M3 V3 is equal to M2 V2 dash. So a sample of water 100 ml is required 12.6 ml of 0.02 m EDTA solution with EBT indicator and the 8.4 ml of 0.02 m EDTA for the same value. Same value means 100 ml. Same value means 100 ml of water after removing the carbonate water. That means after boiling. So that is step 4. So here in the M3 V3 is equal to M2 V2 na. So V3, what is the V3 volume of water? That is 100 ml. Now what is the M2? M2 is equal to 0.02. What is the V2 dash? V2 dash is the 12.6 ml. So therefore M3 is equal to M2 V2 dash by V3, that equal to 0.02 into 12.6 by 100, that equal to 0.00252 molarity. Therefore, total hardness is equal to total M3 into 100 into 1000, that equal to 252 ppm. This is our total hardness. Now, we want to calculate the permanent hardness. What is the permanent hardness? M4 V4 is equal to M2 V2 double dash. So M4 we don't know, question mark. V4 100 ml, M2 0.02, V2 8.4. 8.4. Therefore, M4 is equal to M2 V2 double dash by V4. That equal to 0.02 into 8.4 by 100. That equal to 0.00168 p molarity. Therefore, permanent hardness is equal to M4 into 100 into 1000. That equal to 168 ppm. So this is the problem they will ask in the examination. Total hardness and permanent hardness. So in this, once what you can do, when in the examination point of view, if they win the problem, once you read the problem, then only you have to solve it. So in this problem, no need to find the M1 and M2. They are given the M2 value. If they are not given the M2 value means we have to find M1 and M2. Here they are given the EDTA solution concentration means no need to find the M2 value. Like this, we have to solve the problem. So all of you solve the 8th problem as this problem. 8th problem is there, na? A sample of 20 ml. Here 20 ml of water they are given. 20 ml and EDTA concentration is 0.01. Now you find out.
Total
Hardness 910 ppm.
Total hardness how much?
910 ppm.
910, is it right? 910.
Hardness 230.
Permanent hardness?
230.
Very good. 910. Total hardness? 410 or 430? 230.
230.
Is the permanent hardness. Now what is the temporary hardness?
910 minus 230.
How much?
680.
680 ppm is the temporary hardness. That's it. Now again, 9th problem is solve it. Very simple problem. 9th problem is there, na? A sample water 20 ml required 22.5 ml of 0.02 m EDTA and EBT indicator, 14.5 ml of 0.2. Do it.
Total 2250, sir.
Total?
2250.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Permanent 1450.
Permanent 1450.
Very good.
Temporary 800.
Very good. Very good. Nice. Good. Good. Okay. Now clear these problems. Any doubts? In the examination point of view, there will be the 2 types of problem. One is a temporary permanent and next one is the EDTA problem. Now, all of you, what you can do, you have to solve the 5th problem. 5th problem is there, na? A sample of hard water containing following the dissolved salts per liter. Solve which 5th problem? మెకానికల్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్. All of you, you have to solve the 5th and 6th problem. Make it fast. ఎందుకు?
Temporary 20 per
Alak is solving problem or not? Hello.
మేడం STSP లోనా మ్యామ్ ఉన్నాడు అవునవును
So once you see the part B, long answer questions. Explain the following. Why do we express hardness of water in terms of CaCO3? First one, why hard water fails to produce lather solution? Distinguish between the hard and soft water. So,
Okay, done, right.
so expression of hardness of water by expressions of hard water, that is in terms of CaCO3, that are units of hardness is degree Clark, degree French, milligram per liter. These are all definition you have to write. For CaCO3, why we are taking CaCO3? Why? Because its molecular weight is 100. For easy calculation, we are using the CaCO3 equivalent weights. Why hard water fails to produce lather ratio? Why? Because hard water containing calcium magnesium of carbonates, bicarbonates, etc. So that's why that does not produce lather ratio. Distinguish. Distinguish between hard water and soft water. Distinguish between hard water and soft water means hard water does not give lather ratio, soft water which gives lather ratio. Hard water containing calcium magnesium of carbonates, bicarbonates, etc. Soft water containing very minute amount. And in the hard water, for consumption of fuel is increases. In the soft water, when we are using the soft water, consumption of fuel is decreases. So these are the difference between the hard water and soft water. Describe the experimental procedure for the determination of total hardness by using EATA method. So only we have to write the total hardness and no need for find out the permanent hardness. That is up to M3V3 is equal to M2V2 dash. What is the hardness of water? Explain the terms of temporary permanent hardness of water. Hardness of water means which does not produce lather ratio, that is called a hard water. That reaction. So suppose C17 S35 COO, that is a soap. When soap is reaction with calcium sulfate, that form as a C17 S35 COO2 Ca. Insoluble salt formation takes place. So that is a hardness. In terms of temporary hardness and permanent hardness means temporary hardness causes the calcium magnesium salts of bicarbonate. Taken by these both salts cause temporary hardness. So this temporary hardness can be easily removed. Okay, na? Permanent hardness, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, etc. These all are produce a permanent hardness. Define carbonate and non-carbonate. Carbonate means temporary, non-carbonate means permanent hardness. Various advantages of hard water. List the salts responsible for temporary hardness and permanent hardness. Explain the units in which hardness of water is expressed. So list of salts responsible for temporary hardness means calcium magnesium bicarbonates are temporary. Calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate cause permanent hardness. What is the principle involved in the complex metric method, ETA method? What is the hard water? Compare between the temporary and permanent hardness. The difference between that one you write down. Explain the basic principles involved in the estimation of hardness of water by ethylene diamond tetracid means EDTA method. What is the different units of expressed? Explain their interconversion. Different units of hardness is
Is it open class?
milligram per liter, ppm,
Apartment flat?
degree Clark,
Not
and degree French. Milligram per liter means the number of calcium carbonate weights present per 1 liter of water, that is called as degree milligram per liter. ppm means the number of calcium carbonate weights present per 1 million part of water, that means 10 power 6 parts of water. Degree Clark means the number of calcium carbonate. The degree Clark means the number of calcium carbonate weights present per 70,000 parts of water, that is called as degree Clark. Degree French means 10 power 5 parts of water. So these are the units of hardness.
Madam.
chlorination of
Department ki
potable
jagah
water,
number
that we have tried the
class room.
bleaching powder reaction and chloramine reactions, chlorine reactions, etc. You have done.
Department ki
What are the requisites of drinking water? Explain the coagulation and filtration. This steps involved in potable water that we have tried on. What is sterilization of water? How it is natural water sterilized by chlorine, bleaching powder and chloramines. So bleaching powder, once you see, bleaching powder means CaO, Cl2 is called as bleaching powder, that forms HOCl, and Cl2 is reaction with H2O, that form as a again HOCl, and chloramine, ammonia, NH2Cl. So this is called a chloramine. This chloramine are added to water that form as a HOCl that kills the bacteria. So these reactions you have to write down. What is potable water? Ion exchange process, the diagram. Specification of potable water. Desalination and reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis means the solvent molecules are flows from high concentration to low concentration through an SPM. That is called as reverse osmosis. Desalination of hard water, softening, write the advantages. Reverse osmosis. These are the common questions. Okay, this is about the module 2 question bank. Naveen?
Sir,
Next hour.
Narendra Acharya, sir.
Huh?
Narendra Acharya, sir. Bill IT, sir. Next.
Narendra?
Narendra Acharya, sir. 140 వస్తా అన్నారు సార్. 140
ఎందుకంట
సరే వస్తా అన్నారు 140కి. మీటింగ్ లో జాయిన్ అవుతా అన్నారు. ఎస్ సార్.
సరే మరి.
ఎస్ సార్. ఓకే.
Stage.
ఎస్ సార్.
569. 569. Okay, 48 members. I'll write it and okay, I'll write down roll numbers. You can send me Naveen number also. Remaining also I'll took the absent. Okay. I'll write it to
సార్ వాట్సాప్ లో సెండ్ చేస్తున్నా సార్.
Send చేస్తున్నారా? Okay, okay, sure, okay. Once it is completed, I'll close it. Okay.
యా నేనే సార్ నవీన్ పంపిస్తాను.
Okay, Naveen. Okay, Naveen. Naveen, I will state that this data I can send it only through mail IDs and don't send by WhatsApp. Okay, can classmates only share it your mail IDs only.
Sir, 31st in college ఉందా సార్?
It was not yet decided. The Telangana government also still dilemma because of High Court not accepting. They're asking what is the precautions you should take. So still.
So
Actually, 31st
online అయినా సార్?
might be chance, maybe today night or tomorrow, let you know. Actually, 31
Okay.
onwards, your seniors exams will be external exams. It will be start.
Yes, sir.
So might be, I think so, online classes. If not possible, physical classes.
And we too have CIA
Third
examinations
onwards, sir.
from Feb
Yeah,
3rd.
Exams.
yeah, Thursday onwards, right?
Yes, sir.
I think 3 days only left. I think the online classes they will be conduct. Only 3 days left now. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Okay.
So might be chance online class after 10th or when it will be completed, 10th or 12th.
10th, sir.
10.
Thanks, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Might be after 10th they will conduct physical classes.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Attendance I have sent it, sir. WhatsApp.
Yeah. Okay, Naveen. Thanks, Naveen.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Thanks. Take care. Have a nice
Thank you,
weekend.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.